Okay, around the house with Kay and Tom this morning. I am going to fix a quick dessert. What you need is an 8x10 bowl dish, a can of 15 ounces of fruit cocktail with the juice, a cup of sugar, and a cup of flour. You take the butter, and we're just going to make sure it said to grease generous with butter. Which I think I have now done. And we're just going to set this aside for just a moment. Our oven has to be heated at 350. And I'm going to cook this in the Ninja XL oven because it's just so quick. And it's so hot down here. And it just makes it a lot quicker. I know a lot of people don't have one. So your regular oven is fine. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to mix the flour, the sugar. That seems to be a lot of sugar, so I just want to tell you up front, a cup of sugar, a cup of flour. Get it mixed together pretty good. Like I say, this is around the house with Kay and Tom. It is supposed to be pushing 100 degrees today down here. I live in Florida. Just need something sweet. Thunderclouds are rolling in, so I want to get it done. And we need a can of fruit cocktail with the juice. I have never cooked one of these before, so we're going to try it out together. Okay, that looks pretty much mixed together. I'm going to cut my Ninja on to 350 on bake. Okay, I've got it on bake. 35 minutes, 350, and it is now preheating. While that is preheating, I'm going to take my cup of flour, cup of sugar, and a can of fruit cocktail. Mix real good together. Make sure your sugar is mixed real good with your flour. Okay, my oven has now got to 350. I have now put it in there and it is cooking away. It's got 34 more minutes at 350 and it's on bake. Well, it says it's got 11 more minutes to go and it's really looking good. Okay, my stove has just quit, so let's take it out and see what we've got. Definitely turned out pretty. I'm going to let it cool for just a few moments and then I'm going to slice it and we're going to see what we've got. And we're going to use readi-whip or Cool Whip if you've got it. If you want ice cream on top of it, it would be good. But first off, let's just let it cool for just a few moments. Okay, I think it has cooled off enough for us to cut us a slice. So let's just see what we've got. Well, you can see some of the fruit cocktail at the back. In it. I'm going to put just a little bit of readi-whip on mine. It still could be a little bit cooler. My readi-whip wants to melt real quick. So let's just see what we've got here this morning. Got a very good flavor. Still a little warm, but very good flavor. Nothing but a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, a 15-ounce can of Fruit Cocktail, mixed together real well. Put in a 8x8 dish. Have your dish really coated with butter, greased with butter, and cook it at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. And it really turned out real well. Look, I hope you can see that. Really turned out good. This would be good to take somewhere and for a luncheon or something other. Quick and easy, not a lot of preps, not a lot of ingredients. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe, come back and see me, give me your comments, and have a fantastic day.